YouTube, we're just gonna jump right into this video. So this was a 16-inch 360 lace 613 wig that was sent to me by Supernova Hair. So I'm just going in with the Joico Lumi Shine in 3N, which was a natural dark brown, and I'm just using that to tint my lace. I am of a darker complexion, and I absolutely hate the look of white lace on darker complexions. I also hate that when you dye hair from the root, you have this like faded white cast around the roots part. It drives me crazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tint the lace and tint the knots so that this way when I part through my hair, I will be able to see like a concise part, and it'll allow me to make sure that I get straight to the roots when I'm dyeing this hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it on the lace for about 15 minutes, and I'll be right back. Now that I've washed it off, you can see that the roots are tinted, and there you go. The lace is tinted, so you're able to see a nice concise part. So now I have a basin full of hot water, and I'm using only 2 of the 3 colors I just showed. I'm gonna go in with Clove, and then I'm gonna go in with the aquamarine color. I didn't bother using the indigo blue because I regretted adding in the aquamarine after I seen that it went more blue. I do like Clove. I wish I stick to using Clove alone because I did want the hair to have more of a greenish type of undertone. And so I'm just gonna go in and take the wig and dunk it straight into the basin of hot water and color. So with watercoloring, people have their different methods. Some people like using hot water. Some people just like using like regular hot water from the tap. This is hot water from the kettle. So it's like a boiling hot water. That's why I'm using the comb to kind of push the hair in because I'm not trying to burn myself. And I went tips in first, so the end parts in first. I should have gone roots in first because on the first dunk, the roots came out a little bit lighter than I would have liked. So I did have to go back in and dye it again, which wasn't a problem at all. It's just trial and error. So I'm just letting you guys know that if you want the roots to be more intense, you might want to dunk those first. But if you like the whole light fading into the darker ends, then go ahead, dunk the roots in first. As you can see, the water is even getting lighter because all the color has adhered to the 613. And so I'm just using the fork also as like a comb to kind of comb through and see if I've missed any spots or if I have any patches, which here I can see that not everywhere got the intense kind of greenish blue that I wanted. So I am gonna have to go in and add more color into the hot water and dunk again. So I'm just going in with more Clove, gonna mix that around. And then just a few drops of aquamarine just so I can recreate the color concoction that I had made earlier. So I'm just gonna go in with the roots, dunk those bad boys in first. And then do the ends again, and boom. Everything at the front is colored, leveled out. It's beautiful. in there, as you can see. If you go through it, you can see that the lace, it's blending to my skin, and you can see straight parts. So I didn't get to show you guys the cut. Again, this wig was 16 inches. I absolutely hate in between lengths. So like a 14, 16, even a 20 inch, I feel like is in between length. I either like it short in a bob or I like it down to my butt. That's just what I prefer. And so I went in and I made this kind of like a elongated bob. And so I'm just going in and taking my 1-inch Hot Tools curling iron, and I'm just doing big random curls and using duckbill clips to hold them in place. And I'm just doing this so that it gives the bob some body and some oomph. There is no real like curl like pattern or directions I should tell you to do. Like, you're just curling everything away from the face pretty much so that everything swoops, and you just do it in the sections wherever you feel like you want it to have a little bit of a swoop or body to. What I can say is always curl away from the face. Also, guys, I did do this tutorial really quick. I just wanted to show you guys how I quickly style this wig. So I literally just slapped on the wig. Guys, do not drag me. Do not come for me in the comments. I am aware that I just slapped it on. But you want to know what? The end result will all be worth it. Trust the process. Okay? There is beauty in the struggle. But right now, I'm just going in and I'm just outlining. I'm just outlining my brows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. Like, you can just tell that this tutorial was done quick. Like, girl, child, my eyebrows are not done. Like, nothing is done. But we make it work. We make it come together. We make it cute. And I'm just going in with Burnt Orange out of the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just using that to set the lid overall. Whenever I wear like a dramatic color, I never like to do a bold eye or a bold lip. Like, I just like to keep everything very soft and neutral. And so I'm going in with Primavera. And I'm using that on the brow bone. And I'm also going to use that in the tear duct of my eye. And I'm just going in with this like light frosty pink color that's in the Modern Renaissance palette. Can't remember it off top, but I will list it in the description box down below. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild black liquid eyeliner, and I'm dying because I really want my NYX liquid eyeliner back, but it's a mission to get to the NYX store, so I'm just gonna have to make do. I'm going in with my foundation, which is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And this is the collaboration that they had with Jackie Aina. So I do have one of the Jackie Aina created colors. And this color is Spiced Rum. I'm also going in with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in the color Deep. Yeah, let's not get into it, but this is the color Deep. Okay. This concealer, though, honey, it is so full coverage. It's so thick. I absolutely love it. And then I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer in Cocoa. Now I'm setting my under eye with the Laura Mercier medium deep, or is it just deep, translucent setting powder. Yeah, I think it's the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in deep. I don't think it's called medium deep. But whatever it is, I will put it in the description box down below. And again, this is my favorite translucent setting powder. It works the best for me, considering that I am of a more cocoa complexion, and so I absolutely love it. And then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in medium deep. And I'm just going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And I'm just dusting away the excess powder and setting the rest of my face. Using my NYX Ambrosia Gold Pressed Eyeshadow for my highlighter as per usual. And my MAC Feline Eye Kohl to just deepen that waterline. I'm just going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara and setting my overall face. Now I'm going in with the, it's just a brown lip liner. I have no clue where this is. I was going to say it's from NYX Chestnut, but it's not. And I'm using my Max Bite Lip Gloss. After using that, I'm going to use Cinnamon Roll Butter Gloss from NYX. And then top it off with some 1993 from Urban Decay. Now for the fun part, we're just going to pull out these crazy curls, brush everything down, or comb everything down with the wide tooth comb. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please feel free to leave your comments down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be back very soon with another one.